Hi, so today we're going to be doing a sanding activity. So I'm just going to show you the best way to sand the shape. So here are some of the shapes that you're going to be receiving. And we're just going to go through the best way to get smooth edges and the best technique. So the best thing to do on sanding is follow the grain, which means you're following the lines. So can you see that there's lines here, and then all across here there's lines all around. So what you want to do is you want to grab your sandpaper and just follow these lines. And that way you won't splinter the wood or anything. So on this there's some pencil markings still, so you can take your sandpaper, follow the lines and get rid of it. You can see that's pretty much all gone. So if you just do that all around the edges, and when you get to all these difficult places like this little bump here, you can fold your sandpaper, and in these instances you can go against the grain because obviously you can't really get into there. So if you fold it in half and just follow it back and forth. And then if you always, when you are doing the edges, if you slightly angle it into the shape, you can get like a smooth curve on the edge. And then it's not sharp anymore, so then you'll be able to paint it or colour it in, do whatever you want with it.